Are you a home buyer or seller and have always wondered what are the main things that home inspectors are looking for? Stay tuned. That's what we're going to talk about today. James Rhoads here with the Ramsey Rhoads Group here at Berkshire Hathaway in Camp Hill, PA. If you're a home buyer or even a seller, you might be wondering what some of the key items a home inspector will look for when they're out to inspect and do a home inspection. Home inspectors will investigate every nook and cranny from the foundation to the roof so they can find anything that might affect your property's value. Here are the main things that they will check. Your roof. Home inspectors are going to look for leaks, damage or missing shingles, any moss growth. They're going to look for any problems with your flashing, your gutters, your vents, your attic ventilation, and possibly your skylights if your home has them. You want to make sure everything is watertight so you don't run into any major moisture issues in your home. Your structure. That's the foundation of the home, and you definitely want that to be solid and in good standing so it withstands time. The inspector is usually going to check for any cracks in the foundation, any water damage, or any siding of the supports. If there's any issues or concerns from the inspector, they're more than likely going to suggest that you reach out to a structural engineer to get their opinion as well. Your utilities, your HVAC, your plumbing, your electrical systems are all going to be thoroughly inspected to make sure they're in good working order and have no safety compromises. If they are damaged or faulty, you're definitely going to want to find out the cost and possibly want to replace or repair them. Now, I definitely want you to have some food for thought with the market that you're in. It's always in your best interest to get a home inspection, and there are some times where you may have to consider a calculated risk where you may need to win a property if you're in a multiple offer situation, and it's more important than ever to, again, take a calculated risk and decide if that home inspection is more important to you than actually getting into a property. So a good alternative would be you may want to consider looking into the option of having a home warranty included if you are considering foregoing a home inspection in order to be in a competitive environment. So again, ask some questions to your realtor and we'd be happy to guide you with some of the best negotiating strategies that are out there in today's market. If you have any specific questions about the home inspection process, please reach out and we are happy to help in any way we possibly can. And we have some amazing contacts and great inspectors who can help in any area throughout the process. Now, don't forget to like, share, and drop us a comment anytime, and we're always happy to help. I will see you guys very soon.